In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Claude iMessage too long error. If you've ever seen the warning, your message will exceed the length limit. It means your text, plus the running conversation, is larger than the model's context window. The good news is there are simple ways to work around it without losing clarity. First, break big content into smaller chunks. Instead of pasting an entire document or long code base, divide it into logical sections and send them one at a time. Label each part clearly, like part 1 of 3. And briefly state what you want Claude to do with that section. Once Claude responds, follow up with the next piece. This keeps the context focused and prevents overflow. If the error shows up in a long-running chat, start a new conversation. Older messages consume space even if they're no longer relevant. Open a fresh thread and provide a short summary that captures only the essentials needed right now. 1 or 2 sentences is often enough. This resets the token budget and removes unnecessary baggage. Before you send information, consider summarizing it yourself. Pull out the key points, headings, code functions, or sections that truly matter for your question. Replace long quotations with concise paraphrases and include only the specific examples Claude needs to see. Then ask a targeted question based on that reduced input. Fewer tokens, clearer intent, better results. Remove hidden formatting whenever you copy from word processors, PDFs, or web pages. Invisible characters, styles, and tables can drastically inflate size. Paste your text into a plain text editor, such as Notepad, to strip formatting. Then copy it into Claude. After stripping, quickly scan for odd line breaks or quotes, and fix them so the content remains readable. If Claude's reply misses the mark, edit your existing prompt instead of sending a new, longer message. Tighten the instruction, clarify the objective. Add constraints like desired format or length and remove side notes that aren't essential. Refining in place keeps the conversation compact and easier for Claude to follow. That's all to it. These practices reduce token usage, keep your messages within limits, and often improve the quality of Claude's responses at the same time. Thanks for watching.